In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI to establish a consistent character. This is an insightful journey into the world of AI-driven art, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a clearer understanding of creating consistent characters using this powerful tool. Let's begin by deciding on your method. This involves considering what you're aiming for in your character creation. Whether you're focused on art style, personality traits, or other specific attributes, having a clear idea will guide your process and help maintain focus throughout your work. Once you've decided on your approach, it's crucial to prepare your character images. This step involves gathering quality images that best represent your character's traits and features. Ensure these images are consistent in style and capture the essence of your character, as these will serve as the training data for Leonardo AI. Having a robust set of reference images sets a solid foundation for subsequent steps. Next, navigate to Leonardo AI's platform. This is the hub where you'll conduct the training for your character. As you enter the site, look for the section titled Training and Datasets. This is the area of the platform where you can manage datasets, which are collections of images or data used to train the AI on recognizing your character attributes. In the Training and Datasets section, you'll want to create a new dataset. Think of this as your workspace specifically dedicated to your project. Click on the option to create a new dataset to set the stage for uploading your prepared character images. As you proceed to upload these images, remember they're the building blocks of your character's AI representation, so ensure they are clear and properly formatted. After uploading, it's time to assign a trigger word for your character. This trigger word acts as the unique identifier for your character whenever you want to generate new images or content based on the trained data. Choose something distinctive yet relevant to the character to ensure accuracy and ease of use. Once the trigger word is set, transition to selecting your training method, such as Element or LoRa training. These are specific AI training techniques used to refine how Leonardo AI analyzes and replicates your character. Choosing the appropriate method depends on your goals, whether you require more detail or a broader style spectrum. Finally, it's time to start the training process. This is where Leonardo AI processes your information, using your dataset and trigger word to learn and understand your character. This step may take some time, so patience is key. Once completed, you'll have a trained and consistent character model ready to use, allowing you to generate and explore creative possibilities with ease. By following these steps carefully, you'll harness the innovative power of Leonardo AI to bring your characters to life with consistency and precision. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.